Hello, how are you today? I wanted to give you a yarn review of Caron Cotton Ripple Cakes. Here it is, Caron Cotton Ripple Cakes. And as you can see, I have a portion of a t-shirt that I've crocheted using this Cotton Ripple Cakes. I have it on. I'll have the crochet pattern ready soon, but I just wanted to show you how it works up. It has some stretch to it. This Ripple Cakes yarn is very nice. It has a bit of a thick, thin ripple look to it. It's really a nice yarn. It doesn't split. It's a size 3, 100% cotton. This is in their soft summer stripe series. This color is copper rose. It's squishy. It doesn't have a smell to it. I know I'm always sniffing yarn. It doesn't have a smell to it. It's squishy. It's a very nice yarn to work with. This worked up very fast. This is the Over Brook neckline. Some of my crochet patterns have this neckline, and so this is the t-shirt. I'll add sleeves and have a bit of a ribbed cuff. But I think you'll like this yarn. I picked it up at Michael's. If I understand correctly, when they come out with new colors, they only offer them at Michael's. Not sure on that totally, but I picked this up at Michael's. Not sure if you can get this online yet. But if you'll check Michael's, generally, last few times I've been in there, they've had all of these new cotton cakes, new Caron cakes on sale at Michael's. And I'm pretty happy with this. I've also picked up some Cotton Angel baby cakes, but that's in another yarn review. I'll put the link in the bottom. But it was good to have you on my side of the mountain. I hope you'll come again. Like and subscribe. I like having you on my side of the mountain. And this crochet pattern will be part of the hashtag Summer Celebration at Krissy's. I will put that in the title, Summer Celebration at Krissy's. All right. See you later. Bye.